Kotoko enters into final negotiations with Kwadwo Amoako, formerly of Ash Gold and Mediema. 5 foreigners touch down. 90% of the deals will be done by tomorrow. By Ochina Yawo, because if you had almost started training, 90% of the players are Kotoko Besa, you know. They would the deals, you know, players are Kotoko Besa, but they will be done. About 90%
okay.
of it will be done.
Thank you very much.
So now, Tama, as a folk, as a stormy Olibium, the Ashikwe brothers, no, and Oli Captain Kasim, and so by close of day, Ochina, as a folk could be done with them.
So bad.
No too.
Enje initial comments baby apeso de fa kakre na fe yemko.
Tama sa Kwadwo Amoako.
Why then?
Kotoko nia bread din.
Right back.
Right back, no, yeah. Wait, I'm sorry, a tough boy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Kwadwo Amoako ano
11 wonders.
Or boy, our boys go to maybe, yeah. It be a neck coming in the baby.
Oh no, what you about?
Oh, Taiwan. That's a player.
Okay. I'm more reason a big corner. Anyway, difference. Anyway, say reinventing.
Only your home.
We don't send.
No.
Sir.
Yeah. Onya call up to the Blasters, but
I call Blasters. Yes.
no COVID. On Timambo. Yeah.
Aha, when a woman years on ye.
Only Habib.
Oh, a good player.
Habib Munya call up to the Blasters.
No way.
Oh, Mediema.
In the last club, except me them about African Yanubi.
Yeah.
Them about African
My behavior analysis there and behavior background there.
That's not fair to
Question
you.
will be some.
But it's not fair to him.
Kwadwo is difficult to manage.
But he's a good player.
He's a good player, but difficult to manage.
But we don't have issues with where he has played. Obu ahunu bibisa on the field of play.
So field of play. On the money as good for Nindi. He's a good player. Born body. Say right back near born there. But I've had coaches complain about his tactical discipline.
Wait. Young going. Anami wa.
To say in account what one say the many issues about
issues like when the deal has started and got into a certain stage. We have to be fair to both those who went
player,
for him and the player himself, because I'm sure they would have done all of these checks. For also be one man abeka on especially Korean when you are a bit principled.
Okay.
So you'll be a Ochewa any idea is on yet.
Okay.
There are people just all you, but they don't easily bend.
Yeah.
Occasions one tana na ka say sorry. Who's as I then ask me I mean sorry how yes sir. Umuade.
Yeah. You better target.
I better target. So yeah maybe me my little issue with him is not discipline of the field but tactically.
Because the coaches are complaining.
Yeah. Edu baby teams also ujina hana oni ho no akọ cross ball bi na or I America bi efe ba
Otu America pa
efe na I America
no reverse abegina
why say muni ma yuba tanko
no to say ball
me ba like it on so abokin face muni ma yuba tanko so muni ma yuba tanko am conclude on say one
abokin face
Tama
yes
are you tanko no water body boat team no
ba to munya na one on one muni ma yuba tanko time now also Boku so in face. Ayuba was supposed to play in the one of Ghana's best central defenders who would never turn out to be.
Wow.
Say your number 5 as one make number 5 for number dribble in front of the goalkeeper. Schoolboy he played coast football, one of the best honestly, but on also Americana. Yeah, the back in the America, but Kwadwo Amoako is a proper Zongo boy. Is a proper Kimfesa, true and true. And he said, Obo Kotoko be 80 something. That's also Nimpokunti. You Obo under 20 crowd.
When shall you change that?
Okay. Matthias. Matthias. So let me tell you.
Mr. For his qualities on the field, the Obama Kote.
Now, no, that's all the wait. What are you so in India?
Oh, yeah, I want to.
Now, some answer the Biaba. So I go see up here. Players only free.
Let me guess a five foreigners. Omo bedu. Ose. 2 from Sudan. Now one I don't buy Sudan. One.
And then I got to go for the Sudan for the
Oh, 5. I mean, himself 5 foreigners are in town and 2 are from
Ghana. Is 35 foreigners, but we who Sudanese who are though. Who's your baby? Yeah,
you're Kokofabia. You're Burkina. You call Mali no more. Nabi ya Koko.
Sudan they are quite go to grow.
Okay. No sir, the Sudan Sudan for me because of they are not playing league in their country.
Yeah, and as I say, so I'm
talking league. See, I apply for it Madagascar or Mozambique. BBC trying to see whether
Sudan players in TTF.
And to TTF.
No, because you
have so is struggling because so more active for that when you their World Cup and those qualifiers.
Sudan there.
And some of them are there. On my bar say no. Scatter over more on crown. Top up with you aba.
Top up with
their federation will be giving them something was and say oh how they want to enjoy Moka.
In the Kotoko platform now on federation network.
Ontimase. Their salary
or my additional information to the
salary now some of them edgy with
news
with their clubs at Sudan on them. Kotoko no pay them.
Okay.
You understand? Now we are a boy Imoroko one of them saying no what.
They say no come here and now are you suggesting and now you know for a fact.
No, this is
so go first Sudan play be about Krum say on federation about top up.
No, this is what Nkoman and Renumre.
Okay.
Now Matia say what they are doing say if only they comes no meet the standard now they will have to pay
remember so when me too.
Then you have a can and I really ain't kind
also say
on Kazen kind
more come
obviously they will run away very soon. David or a different player. I say Kotoko for me jare kakra. We also born a dear for right back competition.
Now one happens okay.
Oh, we to me tell kakra answer my back. Obetimi ama court competition right back up. Yeah, he said never. Now Nations FC so no we to almost
Toby.
Yeah, almost. That's
also almost Kotoko for the NB.
For now the Minyante is almost Kotoko.
Okay.
Yeah, but and the Kasimengo Beshia players and no me discuss exit. Yeah, Nations beat me a jabe 10 coin.
Hey,
beat me a jabe coin.
Also yebi.
No almost more 40 players.
Okay.
Ti almost suja a jabe coin. Ti be 10 be there after neno one kasabe releasing news.
Okay.
Na Friday almost started the players needing omo di omo ba no omo di omo wie omo so omo wie omo yes and it looks like I omo wie be free house ne Kotoko ho kakra
na make count bi ni oyi
there be from house ne Kotoko players be I say house ne
Kotoko
omo betimi afeja omo I know so your conversations cause probably maybe a Christopher Nete might come back to Kumasi.
Okay.
He also know new Olympics co-relegation, so he's likely to join Nations FC.
Okay.
And also the end the local near Bam so too. You be sure.
The other man, who's all there not the man. Eh na asimbie ni ho. Unlike binum the na asemo.
It's still too.
Okay, who's all market say. But for them 10, not 8.5 here, but 1.5 na asimbie ba.
As a case your
okay. But when a break is Sudan for Kotoko.
Yeah.
But say all there.
There.
Sudanese players to play for Kotoko.
Yes, so me.
2 and that's just 5 foreign players attach it down. Foreign players.
Minimum be a for airport. With Kumasi.
5 players.
Yeah, and I've spoken to the person this morning.
Now, I'm not saying foreign players in the ball at a time. I think you can have 5 on the team sheet, and then 3 at a time.
3 starting, yes. 3
okay. Since all the foreigners are gone.
Yes, for now they're Kotoko. Zeze, Fuate, Infege, Bukwala.
Okay. Space number better.
No so come jaba could be say. But
Naka,
we
on nature omo.
baby. Okay. All right. Yeah, very rules.
Okay. Now me to and no match na obi any die was Croatia.